Hey guys, welcome back. I had a couple of videos, like a lot of footage actually. Not a lot, but at least enough for another video. I ended up doing a V8, 87 to 93 V8 spindle upgrade, and then brakes. And I got the 5-lug wheels. I did 5-lug conversion, so I got the 17-inch 10-hole wheels. The other ones are over there. But yeah, things kind of just, like I do, they just took a little bit of a wild turn. So as you can see, there is absolutely nothing in here. Nothing was wrong or anything, but I just kind of wanted to get started on a, semi-ish long-term project of, swapping something else into this thing. What I do have for now, this is a Hydro Boost conversion kit I got from LMR. Waiting on the K-member. I got a Team Z tubular K-member that's coming. And yeah, I mean, I got to take the old brake booster out. But really only two reasons that people do Hydro Boosts. Most do it for Coyote because the Coyote just takes up so much room. But I'm deciding to go with the 7.3 liter Godzilla. So going to be selling off all of the, turbo kit, and heads are off, ready to go for whoever wants to buy them. I got wiring harness out of the car. These are the roller rockers. What else do I got for sale? That is not for sale. These are not. Turbo kit, that's also for sale. Intakes for sale. I got some other miscellaneous parts that will be for sale. Not all of that, but probably that bell housing because I'm not going small block Ford again. Also have the Mega Squirt for sale. I'm not going to be using this. Got the interior slightly apart. I had to take the Mega Squirt out, fish the wiring harness out, and then there was a bunch of like the input wires and some power wires and stuff just kind of ran across the dash. So these are all going to kind of come out. I'm going to clean up some of the wiring underneath is not the greatest, or at least like functional, but I want to clean it up a little bit. And then once I, get like the Terminator and all that stuff, I'm probably, what I may do too is see if I can, refurbish some of this interior. It's in good shape, especially for the year, but you can see it's like, faded and stuff. And these seats have definitely seen better days. Like, anyway. I do also have to take out the pedal assembly and stuff, so I have to take the steering shaft out and, other little stuff. Like I need to, take some of the, like the throttle cable needs to come out because I'm no longer going to need that because it'll be drive-by-wire. The speedo cable will stay, and then all that stuff will stay. But what I want to do is you can see the kind of the paint's off in a couple spots, so what I'll probably do is just sand it down. It won't be perfect, and then I'll sand it down, degrease it, and then just kind of run through and, give it a nice fresh-ish coat. Then the engine's in here, and you're probably asking, why did you do this? So yeah, you might be saying like, dude, what are you doing? That was a nice car. It is a nice car that, ran well. But I don't know, just like stuck in the back of my head was like the, whole stock bottom end, and, I just kind of didn't want, to blow it up, really. I wanted to be able to sell some of these parts and do what I really enjoy doing with these cars is, stuff that's different to them, stuff that they didn't come with. So I think a Godzilla is going to be pretty fun. I know there's a bunch of people out there that have done them. Most of it is like pretty much all of it you can get, swap type parts for it. I am going to reuse the TKX, reusing the cooling system. I'm hoping the drive shaft works. I guess we'll see. If anything, maybe I'll just have to get it shortened or lengthened, whatever it is. More than likely, probably shortened, but hopefully I can just reuse it. Definitely keeping these wheels. I want it to be more streetable. So yeah, I got these, the 17 by 10s in the back, I think, or 17 by 9s in the back. 17 by, well, they're not there, but 17 by 8s would be in the front. it gets hot down here in North Carolina, and I really don't like driving around in a car without AC. So it's gonna have all the bells and whistles, you know, which is just air conditioning and heat. The heat worked great in this car previously, but yeah, I just kind of want the car to, you know, sound good, be slightly fast, and then be comfortable. When I do get the engine, I'm going to pretty much, my plan is to eventually buy the Godzilla crate engine and then do a BTR cam most likely, and then a Terminator X, and then I'll do all the tuning and stuff myself. It should sound good. I mean, it should make, honestly, it should make more than what this 302 with the turbo probably was. Anyway, guys, that's the plan for this car. This is gonna be kind of a lengthy project. I'll try and video a little more. I didn't really have much to do prior to, you know, once I fixed the engine, and like changing spindles isn't exactly, you know, riveting content. But I'm not doing this to make content. I'm doing this because this is what I enjoy. It gives me something to do. It keeps me busy. You know, when I have nothing to do, I'd rather spend time, you know, working on these things and whatnot. But anyway, guys, pretty long journey. I know usually I do this stuff really fast. I don't think this one's going to be really fast, but I do have some stuff trickling in that we'll be able to provide updates on and stuff like that. So anyway, that's where we are with the car. And yeah, I mean, we'll just follow along on the journey. I'll try and, you know, post videos as much as I can, you know, as I get and do stuff. So anyway, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. We'll see you on the next one.